In this video, we're going over actually a really nice instrument, and I'll tell you how I got this instrument. But this is the Enya. Let me look at this wood, spectacular. This is the EUC. This is the K5, and this is the solid Acacia concert. We're gonna go over this whole thing. I'll do some playing as well. But while you're here, why don't you make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the ukulele tutorials, reviews. We also do Guitarlele and Baritone as well, right here on the channel. So if you're interested in this, I'll just tell you right now, this is available at store.ukelikethepros.com. And then as I'm playing this thing, and I'll put a link of that below, as I'm playing this thing, the pieces that I'm playing, those all come from my courses up at ukelikethepros.com, and I'm going to tell you how you can get those for free. All right, let me do a little playing. We'll dive into this really cool instrument. All right, when I used to see Enya on Instagram, because a lot of my fellow YouTube creators would have their instruments, I didn't really realize that they were into more of the higher end ukuleles. And if you know me, I'm into the higher end ukuleles as well. So when I saw their booth at NAMM, and a lot of us, we went over there, we did a bunch of playing from the Enya booth and stuff like that. I was really taken by some of these solid wood instruments that they were making, and this is one of them. And this is, like I mentioned, the EUC K5. Now it's actually all solid acacia wood, but look at this wood. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. This is premium grade wood, and you can tell that by not only just the wood pattern here, but it has the side flame pattern on as well, and then it has this really nice kind of light sapwood here in the center. But really a nice piece of wood. You got the abalone purfling here, really nice. You also got it right around the sound hole here, the rosette. You got the nice, what I really like is the rosewood binding here. And I think that it's nice. The ebony is nice because it's that black dark, but I like the rosewood here. It's just a really beautiful reddish color. You got the solid acacia wood here on as well. Both sides solid acacia wood, and then just a nice solid acacia wood back, and they do have the rosewood stripe that goes right down the center. The other thing that's nice about this thing is you already come with a strap button here and a strap button right there. And I'll tell you about the neck here in a second, because they do something very unique with the neck, which I'm glad they told me about, because I wouldn't have known if they didn't tell me about it. So anyway, all solid wood. All right, so let me play something. Let's talk about the sound. Listen for the sound for this one, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this thing, just by the looks of it, just by the sound of it. Obviously you can't play, you're gonna have to trust me on that, but just let me know below. All right, let me do a little playing. All right, what do you think of the sound of it? What I've noticed that acacia wood tends to be, it is a warm wood, but it's a little bit brighter and thinner sounding than like coal wood is. But I've noticed that this one has a kind of a soft, warm sound to it. All right, the neck, this is what I want to talk about. what's really unique here is that you just have a solid mahogany neck. So that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is that if you take this off, look, obviously the strings off the stuff, but this neck could actually come off right here. And what's unique about that is it allows you a little bit of movement. Like if you need to adjust the neck at all over time, you can add a little bit of adjustment to it. So it's kind of a unique concept and feature that they're trying here with these. All right, you have the, let me just show you the back. You got these nice, these are Enya actually gear tuners. This is stuff that they do themselves. They're actually very nice gear tuners. You have the slotted headstock here. You have the Enya, and it's got a nice plate of ebony on it. And then you have the ebony fretboard. And then notice, just you got the fret markers here on the sides, but nothing here on the fretboard except for the nice flower down right there. So here's what I've noticed about these instruments. The price. I mean, these are a really amazing price for what you get. Okay, so solid wood, nice craftsmanship. You do get the padded gig bag included as well, and I think the price is really gonna blow you away. So what else did I miss here? I was trying to think of something else that I missed here. Concert model, just in case, and it's about 15, and we always measure these from the nut to the saddle here, just over 15 inches, which is a little longer. Most are 15. It's like 15 and an eighth or so. No, maybe like a quarter. Now, also one thing here is that this is a compensated saddle. It's probably hard to say, but what it is that because string instruments like the guitar and ukulele, they get so it's hard to tune them perfectly. It's just intonate them perfectly. It's impossible. So they have these compensated saddles to help with that as well. So anyway, really nicely done on these instruments. Again, this is a beautiful acacia wood instrument. This is the EUC K5. And with that, by the way, you do get the case, but you also get 3 months premium membership at ukelikethepros.com. That's access to my entire site, including the weekly Q&A. So that's really cool as well. And then I'm gonna throw in some case candy as well. You know, just a couple little bonuses here to make you feel good when you're buying this great instrument. But check below. I'll put in some of those other special perks that you get with this. But let me take you out. We'll do one more thing, and then we'll get out of here. This is the Enya EUC K5. This is our concert all solid wood acacia. I'll put a link below that you can get this at my store, and check out all the perks as well that you get with this thing. And thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.